With the suspension of its Adirondack service to Montreal, due to host freight railroad CN enforcing draconian heat restrictions on train speeds due to poor track maintenance north of the border, Amtrak in the summer of 2023 terminated the Adirondack at Saratoga Springs, instead of double-ending a train set with 2 locomotives, as done with Amtrak's Ethan Allen service to Burlington. Amtrak instead is using the Y at the CPKC Saratoga freight yard to turn the single locomotive train set so that the northbound train can make a return journey as the southbound train, after a layover of 5.5 hours on the station's storage track. A Y is a triangular railway junction, often used for turning locomotives and trains to reverse their direction of travel. A turning Y consists of a stub-end siding track connected to a mainline track by 2 lead tracks curving in opposite directions, forming a triangle. This track arrangement allows a train to make a 3-point turn. Here is an animation of how the Adirondack is being turned at Saratoga this summer, using the Y some 3,000 feet south of the rail station at the north end of the freight yard. Here is the northbound Adirondack, passing the Y on the way to make its station stop at Saratoga Springs.
Yeah, everybody up here is just nice. I mean, there's a lot of people, unfortunately, in our community that are wild and ruin it for everybody else. But
69, go for 10.
Now empty of passengers, the train set backs into the yard from the station in order to make a 3-point turn using the Y, so that the train set is pointed in the right direction for its evening southbound return to New York City. With the train set now fully onto the stub-end siding, a member of the train crew manually realigns the points of the hand-thrown switch so that the train can reverse out of the Y, back onto the main track. Amtrak is alternating daily, which lead track they use when entering the Y, so that this manual switch only has to be thrown once. Switches, also specifically called turnouts, or a set of points, are usually automatic on the main line, with a train dispatcher in a traffic control center, resetting the points of the turnouts remotely. However, off the main line, as with this Y in the Saratoga freight yard, many turnouts are manual switches that need to be hand-thrown by on-site railroad workers. The train set is now on the storage tracks at the Saratoga station, awaiting its return evening run as Amtrak's Adirondack, Train 68, back to New York City. Thank you for watching. Take care.